Hey there, how is it going? Welcome to my another tutorial. It's going to be continuation of the inventory series. But before we get started, first of all, thank you very much for the like and support. Really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, more videos to be coming soon. Let's get started.
Hi guys, so today in today's tutorial we are going to see how we are going to have 3D icon of our weapon so that it can be displayed accordingly. So let's get started. First thing what I did was I just made a folder naming icon creator. So in the folder I'll just right click render target, and we can name this as icon underscore render. So yeah, now we open this up. So the idea here is like, let me before that just explain you what's over here. So this is the size X and size Y, which determines the size of the icon. And bear in mind, the larger the size is, the amount of time it's going to take to render. So lower is better, especially for an icon size which is going to be very little and very small. So this is all good. Now let's save this one. Now after this, in the same folder, we can just create a material. Which is going to be this one. We will name this icon underscore M, which is like material. Just put this, and we'll put this into user interface, which is like what it is going to be, of course. And we want to also make this translucent. Now here we are going to get texture texture sample, and obviously now if we click on this, the texture is going to be our icon render, icon underscore render, which we just created, which is going to be our final color. So we need to make sure that our icon doesn't have a background. So A is anisotropy, which is like will help us to get those backgrounds out. So we can get from here like 1 minus. I'm going to invert this. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to add this to the here, opacity overdue, then apply and save. Now let's just create a new blueprint. Now this is going to be our icon underscore capture capture. Let's just icon underscore capture capture, which is going to be good. Now here we are going to open this. Here is where we are going to add first thing called static mesh. Now the next thing which we're going to apply is scene capture 2D, and this is going to this is going to be here, and that's better. Now what else? We can reduce the field of view to 40. That's much better, I would say. Now if we scroll down, and here is where our texture target is going to be. It's going to be over here, which is going to be our icon render. So now this will help us to get us preview. Now let's just create a plane. So the first one, we are just going to rotate it 90 degree a bit. Just take it a bit away from the camera, and we are just going to Control C and make another one, which is going to be within here. They're all going to be within the static mesh. So the first one we are going to change to our do we have material? Yes. Our first element is going to be icon, this one. Now the static mesh which we have, we're going to get our axe which we have, and let's just add this one to the root. I'll say, yeah, that's much better because we need to change the camera angles and everything. So yeah, that's much better. Now here is what we're going to adjust. Now here is where you can adjust and rotate your icon, to make it look nice. Oh, even everything is gonna. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll just add a bit of. Maybe I can try it from this angle. It's much better. So this is what it's gonna at least look like, sort of at the beginning. If you wanna make it look a bit fancier, a bit nicer, go with the tilt. I can see this one is also moving, so this can come out, and now you can independently. No, that's not right. No, I would say. Yep, we can maybe now take this one. Now we can add such tilts if you want, and that's gonna make it look, I would say, more nicer. I would say, yeah. As you can see in this icon, it's not very bright, I will say. So you can add even a point light if you want in the scene capture. So click on this and get point light, and yeah, in the point light, what you could do is add like lumen, and the intensity you can of course increase it as per your needs. Like it will make changes accordingly, like you see. So yeah, so it makes the thing look more nicer, I'll say. Yeah, and you can adjust how it's gonna, like, yeah. So I like, yeah, this is good. Maybe I could like bring it up over here a bit. Yeah, make it look nice and shiny. Yeah, this is very nice. And yeah, and you compile and you save this. Now once this is done, you right click on your render and you can go create a static texture. And now you can open this up. So now once you open this, you can see it's like, you can see the, like it's gonna look like this. So now we have to kind of like invert it. So that's how you're gonna do the min alpha to 1 and the max alpha to 0. So yeah, that's how it is done. Yeah, this is all nice and good. You can also change the texture group at the moment if you're here, like to user interface. Is it over here? I'm not sure. Where is it? It's gonna be UI. And if you wanted to make it look nicer, you know, you can add all those features as per your need. Like, yeah, for now I'll just leave it for, yeah, just let it be no mini maps. And let's, even this one also, we can change this to I think this is good for now. Let's save this. So we can also rename this. This could be IRONIN axe, and this will be under the, like under the our, this thing is going to be, 1 second. You have to change the name. It's going to be an icon, so I'll put this ICON. And let's go to our data table, and instead of this we will put our beautiful icon which we created. Where is it? And this is it. So now let's save it and all. And I think so previously I mentioned where like you need to reload each and every icon, so I would kind of delete all of them. So I would just go click on this and I'll put none, and I'll add an iron axe, and you know, like I'll just create now some duplicates for us to like see and understand, and let's see whether it's working or not. So yeah, I'll click, and yeah, this is how it's gonna look like. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video.